Hi, Harmony.
Hi, Harmony. We miss you.
So we're going to start off first with a review video. Miss Promise is going to go through the combo and re-show it to you with the appropriate legs. And then we're going to go through your new part of your form, focusing on the correct stances and hand shapes and chambers. So let's go ahead and get started. Back there, Promise. Okay, so she's gonna start off, we'll start off in our left back stance for our combo. Okay, so the combo is a number 2 round kick to the knee. Okay, and then she's going to step together, step out, and it's a reverse elbow to the nose. 2 steps back. Okay, so she's going to do it again. Good. Okay, so in the video it was nice and strong. Just remember it's the number 2 instead of the number 1. Okay, so now she's going to move to the end of white belt form. Okay, so we know what the new moves are, but let's focus on those stances so that you're clear on what each stance is. So it is a number 2 front kick, landing in a front stance, reverse punch, stepping in another front stance, reverse punch, a number 1 round kick, landing in a back stance, knife hand strike. Good, and go back. Good, so now she's going to go back to the end of white belt. White and yellow. Okay, so we're going to do the same form. She's going to do it at regular speed because the first 4 moves are kind of a fast cat 2 move, which means they all finish in the count of what 1 move would be. Okay, so go ahead now. Good. Okay, so now we want to look at our hands. Okay, so obviously your knife hands are nice straight. Your thumb is stuck under, not beside. Okay, no spaghetti arms. They're all strong. As we say, no spoons, no forks, but knives. Okay, the other thing is the chamber for this knife hand should be a nice big hug. A lot of people chamber with an X, and that is an inappropriate chamber. So the hand that is knife hand striking is going to be up by your ear, hands faced up. The other arm is in a fist, and your elbows are tight together, almost touching, just like Miss Promise. So when she chambers, the one hand comes to her belt, and the other hand goes straight out. Okay, so that is a refresher. Also on your contact skills, your side kicks, since you are now a green belt, I want you to make sure to be practicing progression side kicks. So they would go number 1, which is your front leg, number 3, which you're stepping together side kick, and number 2 is that back foot side kick. Okay, really focus not to crash your plane. So if Promise does a number 1 side kick, that is a good chamber.
Oh, you want me to do it back?
Yeah, that's crashing your plane. Make sure after you do your number 1, you rechamber that leg back and put it down. Otherwise, you're crashing your plane and you're going to lose your balance. So one more time, we're going, and it's a number 1, number 3, step together, and number 2. So this is a good drill for you to practice on up and down the gym floor, wherever you have to practice, just constantly getting those progressions down. Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes for the next portion of your video.